Hello, my name is Tom Fauntleroy, and I'd like to talk to you today about life settlements and how they can benefit you and your family. What is a life settlement? When should you consider using a life settlement? What are the benefits of a life settlement? And we'll look at some case-by-case examples of life benefits. Life settlements are a newer product providing an exit strategy for life insurance policies that are viewed as too expensive, poorly performing, or because the policy is no longer meeting the needs of the policyholder. It involves the sale of a life insurance policy to an institutional funding source. The great thing about a life settlement is that the proceeds from the sale are always greater than the cash surrender value. The policy ownership is transferred to a purchaser who assumes the payments. You no longer make any payments on that policy. Now let's look at when you should consider a life settlement. Typically, you should be over the age of 65 with a life policy of at least $100,000 in face value. The premiums are no longer affordable and the policy is lapsing. You need cash to reduce debt or to fund other long-term care products. Other circumstances may have also changed. A key man retirement out of a company, the death of a beneficiary, and the premiums have just become too expensive to maintain the policy. To qualify for a life settlement, there are some qualifying factors: your age, your health condition, and the amount of the premiums that you are currently paying on that policy. What types of policies qualify for a life settlement? Term, universal life, whole life, joint survivorship, group, and key man policies. What are the benefits of selling your life insurance policy? Well, the proceeds from the sale can be used in any manner. They provide funds for you to purchase a new, more cost-efficient policy, and it removes a policy from an estate due to reduction in size and tax liability purposes. You can also give cash gifts to family members and charities of your choice. They are also a more profitable alternative to just surrendering the policy or allowing the policy to lapse. First case example is a 76-year-old male with an $800,000 universal life policy. His premiums are $23,000 a year and his cash value is $75,000. With a life settlement, he would receive $270,000 lump sum cash for that policy. Our next case is a 78-year-old male with a 79-year-old wife with a joint policy. The yearly premiums are $25,500 per year. The cash value is $15,424. They would receive a lump sum life settlement of $285,000. And our third case is a 67-year-old male with a $650,000 term policy. His premiums are $12,500 a year. His cash value on that policy will be $24,474. He would receive a lump sum life settlement of $115,000. The process for receiving your life settlement is very simple. You fill out a couple of pages on an application form, and you also sign some release forms, releasing information about your health, releasing information from your insurance company about the details of the policy. There are no medical exams, no tests, no interviews besides myself talking to you briefly on the phone, and there are no fees. We will then gather all the necessary information and submit to each funding entity. We send to a variety of funding entities, and what we're looking for is the best offer. Once we receive that highest offer, we then go ahead and set up a closing so that you can receive your cash life settlement payment lump sum. To receive your life settlement, please feel free to call me, Tom Fauntleroy, at 404-939-7551. We can service you in all 50 states. You can visit us also at tomscoupons.com to request an application, or you can email me at life@tomscoupons.com. And we look forward to serving you and getting you that life settlement. Thanks and have a great day.